Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort. Now in one of our favorite categories because it is a private pool category. So this particular one is a junior suite oceanfront with a private pool, and I know you're gonna love it as much as I do. As soon as you walk in here, you have this great Dreams box. So right there is where they're gonna deliver room service for you. I love that concept where you don't have to get up and get the door. Essentially, they just place it in there and then you put it back when you're done and they take care of that. Right here, you're gonna have the majority of your storage. You've got your safe right there. You've got plenty of hanging storage up above, including your robes, come complimentary, of course. And you're also gonna have your slippers. Those will be put out each night when they do the complimentary turn down service. Here you've got just a little bit more storage up and down. Now to my left is the bathroom. So as soon as you walk in, you can see you've got the double vanity right here and also the upgraded preferred club amenities. This particular room category is preferred club, and that's a huge upgrade. I'll talk about it throughout the tour, but essentially in here you're gonna get bigger amenities and also things like mosquito repellent or sunscreen, things that you may have forgotten that you may want for staying here or doing one of the tours. Now you're also gonna have a hairdryer right there, extra towels underneath, and you're also gonna have a scale, though I'm not a big believer in those on vacation. You have your incense right there, and then a little bit more storage to the side, and a full-length mirror. Toilet's just there to my right, and you've got the huge shower. I'm a big guy, I really appreciate this, that I fit. You've got the rainforest shower head up above, you got the shower wand, and then down here, you're gonna have a little seat where you can soak, or of course, you can put your foot up to shave. So now we're in the main bedroom area. You've got a little bit of luggage storage over here to the right. You do have some drawers to put things away completely and your large panel smart TV. I did want to mention that right here, these do close off so you can have that extra privacy. Traveling with your family, that's a great thing to have. I love that they have the mats next to the bed so that when you step in and out of bed, you're gonna step onto that instead of the floor. You've got a USB plug and a US plug down there. You've also got this little radio and charging station. And I really like to have the temperature control right next to the bed. Sometimes at night, I want to turn it down a couple degrees. That's perfect for that. This is a full king bed. Now this particular category, this junior suite, oceanfront with the pool, it comes in a couple configurations. It also comes in 2 queens and it also adjoins to master suites in different scenarios. There's also some that have a rooftop terrace and also others that don't that you can piece together. But that's something that we will handle as your travel advisor, take care of all those details for you. But it's a really interesting category and it's one of our favorites because it's right on the ocean. Right, as I continue on to the other side of the bed, you've got a USB plug here as well. The phone, remote, little storage. You have your do not disturb and makeup room right there. I just wanted to point that out. It's not by the door, it's right there. But once again, lay down in bed in the evening, turn that on, perfect fit. So there is a little bit of a curtain here for privacy. It does not shut off completely. If you want to do that, you do need to get one of the rooms that has a multiple bedroom configuration. But right here, you have a huge sofa, nice chaise lounge, and then this comes out into a comfy sofa bed. I found that the beds here are some of the best that I've ever had in the sofa variety. You also have this coffee table, perfect for breakfast in the morning, or maybe you just want to have a snack. And then over here, you're going to have a writing desk. One important feature that I wanted to point out is this tablet. This is a really great thing that they have here on the resort. You can access the different schedules and menus, spa, things along those lines, even tours. But my favorite thing is that you can order your room service right on here. They'll deliver it to your dream box, and then you just go grab it when you're ready. And once again, put it back when you're done. You can even notify them there and they'll come pick it up. So you just have that extra level of privacy and access everything you want from there. There's a few chargers built in and a USB charger here. And then right there, you're gonna have your Nespresso maker. They have Nespresso pods. They'll replenish those as often as you like throughout your stay. You've got a few little mini bottles, and then underneath here, you're gonna have your mini fridge that is fully stocked, and you can have that replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. So I just stepped outside and have this incredible ocean view out in front of me. And over here, just wanted to point out, this is a screen. I love that because you can open that up and have that nice ocean breeze coming in, especially in the morning. You've got 2 lounge chairs right here, a table in between. You also have these 4 chairs over here as well. There's lighting outside so you can use it during the day and in the evening. But what this particular category is all about is, in addition to being oceanfront, it is the private pool. It's a really nice sized private pool, refreshing, cooling. And what's great about it is, especially if you're traveling with a family, you want to hop in, or the kids do in the morning or in the evening, and you don't want to go back to the pool, this is absolutely perfect for that. Now, because it is oceanfront, you also have these stairs that head right on down to the beach. So you open up the gate there. You've got private beach access right there. You also have a foot washing station down below so you can rinse your feet off before you head back up into the room. Now, one of the hidden gems of this particular category is some of the rooms have an unbelievable rooftop terrace. And this is one of them. So you've got these two great loungers here. You have seating for 8 back there. But what this is all about is the unbelievable ocean views. You can see the perfect turquoise out there. In fact, you can even see so far out, you can see how the ocean changes colors multiple times. You've got the beautiful sea dunes just in front of you. But this is something you want to pay careful attention to and make sure that you get it right. As your travel advisor, once again, we know exactly which ones have it, which ones don't, and we can help you configure that specifically for your stay. But as we continue along, I'll just show you a little bit more of the terrace. You've got this great soaking jacuzzi hot tub right here. And then once again, all of this space. So if you're hosting friends or you're part of a wedding party or something else, this is a great category for you because you have a ton of space that you can share with others as well. And these views are just absolutely perfect. This is a sunrise hotel, so you're gonna have the sun coming up directly in front of you and just get the most beautiful way to start your day. I don't know, I'm pretty happy when I'm looking at the ocean. So inside I mentioned the preferred club amenities, and I just wanted to point out a couple of them. So there are beachfront bally beds and palapas down on the beach over there that are just for preferred club guests that you get to take advantage of. You also see those all around the pool. There's the bally beds that you have complimentary for you. You're also gonna have that preferred club lounge. That's perfect. You go directly there to check in. Very relaxing experience. They've got a bar in there. You can go in to snack throughout the day. It's just a great place. You also have the concierges in there who are gonna take care of all the details throughout your stay. In addition to that, they have a private lazy river area just for preferred club guests, and I know my daughter absolutely loves that. But it really upgrades the entire stay throughout your time here at Dreams. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite category or any suite here at Dreams Playa Mujeres or any of the Dreams or Secrets properties, reach out to Harr Travel. We know the properties inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with AM, and we know that we can help create the vacation of a lifetime and incredible memories for you and your family at an amazing value.